Welcome to part 7 of Pollinator-Friendly Gardening Tips. Alliums. Unleash the beauty of alliums. Alliums are a splendid addition to any garden. Members of the allium family, which also includes onions and leeks, boast eye-catching spherical flower clusters in various shades of purple, white and pink. Their enchanting blooms act as a beacon, inviting essential creatures to feast on their nectar. To ensure the success of your alliums, plant their bulbs in well-drained soil and watch as they flourish and produce a stunning display of color and form. Embrace the beauty of alliums and witness the magical interaction between flowers and pollinators in your own backyard. Poppies. Look at this grasshopper chilling on a poppy. Prepare to be mesmerized by the enchanting beauty of poppies. With their vibrant and delicate petals, these captivating flowers not only serve as a feast for the eyes, but also beckon bees and butterflies with their irresistible nectar. Whether you choose the annual or perennial varieties, poppies thrive in full sun and well-drained soil, rewarding your garden with a burst of color and an inviting haven for pollinators. Get ready to witness nature's artwork unfold as these remarkable blooms take center stage and play their part in nurturing our precious pollinator friends. Did you know that some species of poppies have been used for centuries in traditional medicine? From their pain-relieving properties to their role in producing opium, poppies have a rich history of medicinal significance. Snowballs. Get ready to be captivated by the enchanting beauty of snowballs. These stunning shrubs grace the garden with their large clusters of showy spherical flowers that resemble fluffy snowballs. As you marvel at their beauty, you will also be inviting a host of pollinators to your garden. Bees and butterflies are irresistibly drawn to the fragrant blooms, making snowballs a delightful hub of pollinator activity. Plant these remarkable shrubs in well-drained soil and watch as they burst into a profusion of exquisite white or pink flowers, signaling the arrival of spring. Sweet Alyssum. Sweet Alyssum is a low-growing annual that produces clusters of tiny, fragrant flowers. With its delicate blooms and sweet fragrance, Sweet Alyssum creates a captivating oasis of color and scent. Plant this charming flower in sunny areas with well-drained soil and watch as it gracefully carpets the ground with its dainty blooms. Be rewarded by the sight of pollinators joyfully dancing from petal to petal, while the air is filled with the wonderful aroma of Sweet Alyssum. Roses. The timeless elegance of roses. Well, roses may not be the first flower that comes to mind when thinking about pollinator-friendly plants. There are certain varieties that can play a valuable role in supporting our buzzing friends. Opt for single-flowered roses with their captivating blooms boasting an open center. These types of roses offer easier access to the abundant nectar and pollen that bees and butterflies seek. By choosing single-flowered varieties, you create a welcoming haven for our pollinator pals. Thank you for watching. Together we can cultivate a world buzzing with life. Please take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments below how you are making your garden a haven for these vital creatures.